Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to Genius Watch session. Today we are dealing with the special angles. So here we are provided with a question which read as follows. So we have sine squared of 45 degrees plus 2 sine 30 degrees and sec 30 degrees. Okay, so now let's try to simplify this one before. So we know that the sine is what is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, then the sine here is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. Then what is the secant? We know that the secant is 1 over cos theta. Okay, so which this will implies to what? 1 over adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, so which is going to be what? 1 hypotenuse over adjacent. Okay, so it means the sec is going to be what? Hypotenuse divided by the adjacent. Okay, so now let's get to the solution. So our solution, okay, so we are given the angles here. So these angles is same as theta. So now we are given the angle which is 45, 30 and 30. Okay, so now let's do this. So it says sine squared of 45. So we are going to look at our two special triangles. So, or where is the angle of 45? So we see here we're having the angle of 45 even in this side. So no matter which side you decide, each is fine. So if we consider this one, okay, we know that 45 sine, the angle, the sine of 45 is going to be what? The opposite over the hypotenuse. Okay, so it means we are going to have 1 divided by the hypotenuse, which is square root of 2. Okay, plus 2. Then we look at sine 30. Sine 30 is on angle B, so we see that the opposite of angle 30 is 1. So we're going to have what? 1. What is the adjacent side? The hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is 2. Okay, then we have what? The sec of 30. We said the sec is same as 1 over cos, and which, as we simplify, is going to give us hypotenuse over the adjacent. So what is the hypotenuse over the adjacent? Of 30 degrees. So we look at the angle of 30 degrees here. So the hypotenuse here is what? Is 2. Okay, so and then what will be the adjacent side? The adjacent side is going to be what? The square root of 3. Okay, so now is for you to simplify. So here, what is it that we are having? We are going to have 1 of, I forgotten to put the square root, so this one is going to be 1 over square root of 2 multiplied by 1 over square root of 2. Okay, plus 2, 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 over square root of 3. Okay, so this is going to give us what? We're going to have 1 multiplied by 1, which is 1. Then square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 is 2. Plus, then you're going to say 2. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Then 2 multiplied by square root of 3, which is 2 root 3. Okay, so now we simplify this one. What is it that we're going to have? So we're going to have 1 divided by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 is what? Is 4. Or you can say, where's my red ink? Okay, so yeah, these 2 will divide with this 2, so we'll be left with what? 2 square root of root 3. Okay, so this give us what?